Hi everyone. It is indeed time to celebrate because we have completed the Nursing 700 course. So congratulations to all of you, and I look forward to working with you in the future. I do want to remind you to complete the course evaluation, and most of you have already done so. So if you have not, please do the course evaluation. I really use that feedback to improve the course, as well as thank you to those of you who have already completed the evaluation. The other thing is self-care is really important. This is a little opportunity to have some downtime, so I want to strongly encourage you to indeed take time to just reflect back on that we've gone through your very first complete DNP course and you're well on your way, and to take some downtime to really kind of refresh and reset as you move into your next 8-week course. And I know that you're continuing with your research course as well. So if you need absolutely anything from me as you move forward, please let me know. But I do really look forward to sharing future courses with you. So take care. Bye-bye now.